How to use the Allegheny York Barcode Scanner Android app. Step 1. Read the instructions and click Begin. Step 2. Enter the desired quantity of the first part and press Scan Now. You may need to give the app permission to access your camera in order to scan barcodes. Step 3. Align the barcode within your camera's viewfinder. Step 4. Repeat steps 2 and 3 as needed for additional parts. Step 5. Press Confirm Order to move to the next screen and fill out your contact info. Step 6. Press Review and submit order to make any adjustments to your order and send it to sales@alleghenyyork.com.